Hello teachers, this video is to explain the activity of paint the squares. This is an activity which can be played on very different levels. So once we access the link, we need to click on play game. Here we need to select the numbers. For now I'm selecting 1 to 50. If you feel that the students are struggling with numbers more than 20, then you can select 1 to 20. If you feel that the students are well accustomed with the numbers up to 30, you can select likewise. As of now, I will be explaining the activity by taking 1 to 50. So once that is done, what we need to do next over here is the first activity is about missing number. So you can assign different colors to different students. So if you pick yellow and you click on new, one number will go missing. You have to ask the student which number will that be. So the student will answer to you. After that, the next puzzle is about one more and one less. When you click on that, I'm changing the color over here to pink and I click on new. That means that one number will be picked and we need to find the number before that and after that. So this establishes the use of successor and predecessor. So the number prior to it would be 29, the number after it would be 31. Next up, we need to identify through lines. So when we click on lines and when we click on new, it will take away one line of five numbers wherein only one number would be given to us. So when you keep clicking on new, it gives you different sort of numbers. So like here it has given you a vertical line. Prior to that we had all horizontal lines. Similarly, it could give you a cross thing. So this is 15. So this is very tricky. So cross and patterns is only supposed to be used when we feel that the student is very extraordinary. The student is doing quite well because the identification of the vertical numbers is trickier than the horizontal ones. So here 14 and 16 will be the numbers replacing the horizontal blanks. Then again, we need to find a number which will come above 15. So here we need to go back 10 places. So that is why on the top will be 5, on the bottom it will be 25. This can be picked as an example to explain the students how to identify patterns and how to find the answers to them. Similarly, we can use the patterns also in order to find the answer. Here we just need to do simple additions and subtractions in order to get to the answer. Hope you understood this, teachers. Thank you.